Steps to create a documentary on local and national cultural topics. Creating a documentary film about local and national cultural topics is a challenging and rewarding endeavor that requires careful planning, research, and execution. In this article, we will explore the steps involved in creating a successful documentary film that explores local and national cultural topics, from inception to distribution. Step 1. Choose a topic. The first step in creating a documentary film about local and national cultural topics is to choose a topic that is both compelling and relevant. This may involve researching current events, historical events, or cultural traditions that are unique to a particular region or country. It's important to choose a topic that is both interesting to the filmmaker and relevant to the target audience, as this will help to ensure that the film is engaging and informative. Step 2. Conduct research. Once a topic has been chosen, the next step is to conduct research. This may involve reading books and articles, watching documentaries, conducting interviews with experts and locals, and visiting relevant locations. The goal of the research phase is to gain a deep understanding of the topic and to identify key themes, issues, and perspectives that will be explored in the film. Step 3. Develop a concept. Based on the research conducted in Step 2, the next step is to develop a concept for the film. This may involve creating a treatment or pitch that outlines the key themes, issues, and perspectives that will be explored in the film, as well as the visual style and tone of the film. The concept should be clear, concise, and compelling, and should give potential funders, collaborators, and distributors a clear sense of what the film will be about and why it's important. Step 4. Secure funding. Once a concept has been developed, the next step is to secure funding for the film. This may involve applying for grants, seeking out investors, or launching a crowdfunding campaign. It's important to have a clear budget and production plan in place before seeking funding, as this will help to demonstrate that the project is viable and well planned. Step 5. Pre-production. With funding secured, the next step is to move into pre-production. This may involve hiring a production team, scouting locations, conducting interviews, and developing a shooting schedule. It's important to have a clear plan in place for how the film will be shot and edited, as well as a contingency plan in case of unforeseen events or challenges. Step 6. Production. The production phase involves actually shooting the film. This may involve traveling to different locations, conducting interviews, filming events or traditions, and capturing B-roll footage. It's important to stay organized and focused during the production phase, as this will help to ensure that the footage captured is of high quality and that the project stays on schedule. Step 7. Post-production. Once the production phase is complete, the next step is to move into post-production. This may involve editing the footage, adding music and sound effects, color grading, and creating titles and graphics. It's important to work closely with the editor and post-production team to ensure that the film is being edited in a way that tells a clear and compelling story, and that the visual and audio elements are working together to create an engaging and informative experience for the audience. Step 8. Distribution. The final step in creating a documentary film about local and national cultural topics is to distribute the film. This may involve submitting the film to film festivals, seeking out distribution deals with streaming platforms or broadcast networks, or launching a self-distribution campaign. It's important to have a clear distribution plan in place before the film is completed, as this will help to ensure that the film reaches the widest possible audience and has the greatest possible impact. Step 1. Choose a topic. Choosing the right topic